Hey, what's up? We've got another unboxing here. Open it with the Leatherman Wingman. So we're just open this real quick. And I think this is mine. Right there. Anything else in there? No. So this is a piston for the Yamaha. Yeah, I think this is new old stock. I'll just open this real quick. It's oversized, but I'll hopefully get a sounder in 9 days, so it can be used as a spare. But I know what should come in it. So there we go. We've got one piston. Very nice. That should have. Where's the wrist pin? We should have wrist pin. Oh, there we go, piston rings. And the wrist pin should be in there. Yeah, I can hear it. So yeah, just a piston. I didn't get my thing from Fatslam. I don't know if it's going to come in the delivery van, so I'll just get wait. So yeah, comment, rate and subscribe.